Melissa, please stop cursing me. I have never cursed you. But ever since I met you, my weather forecasts have been wrong. I'm sorry to hear that. I know how you feel. But please don't blame me. Let me know if I can do anything to help. Are you really going to help me? Yes, of course. So, tell me what the weather will be like tomorrow. Oh, let's talk about it.